Introducing SV Electrostatic Sound for Range Rover SV Ultra. High-fidelity audio technology that brings concert hall sound quality to the cabin for the very first time. Lightweight electrostatic speakers use thin-film transducers to create personal auditoriums, putting you in the heart of every performance. Electrostatic panels are integrated into redesigned winged headrests, seatbacks and speakers. With exquisite near-field audio quality, optimized for the human ear. Up to 90% lighter and 10 times more energy efficient than traditional speakers, and up to 1,000 times more responsive. Working in harmony with haptic body and sole seat, sensory floor technology and active road noise cancellation, so you feel the music as well as hear it. Transducers are fitted to every seat for a full-body audio experience that extends to the sensory floor. Go beyond music with 6 built-in wellness programs, from calming to invigorating. A new kind of immersive in-car audio and wellness experience. SV Electrostatic Sound, body and sole seat and sensory floor. Welcome to the best seats in the house.